I'm Tom Dowding from Vertiv. I'd like to talk to you about our micro data center, the SmartRow. This is one of our products in our converged range. And this is quite an interesting product. It's an innovative product that we've brought to market, and this actually enables the replacement of a server room. So what we have is air conditioning, completely contained racks, so the cold air comes through the front. Your IT equipment sits inside these racks. There's power protection, there's power distribution at the rear, there's full environmental monitoring, infrastructure monitoring, and remote monitoring available. There are fail-safes in place as well, so if anything goes wrong, should you lose power or need to perform maintenance on the air conditioning, we have fans that will come on and actually bring the cold air into the system, eject the hot air out of the system. This is a great product for clients who have got hybrid workloads, working in data centers, in colos, and equipment at the edge site. This is a great system. It doesn't need a data center, a raised floor. It can go into a warehouse, a car park, into a facility, and these can be installed in under a week.